Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce for sales. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to use Salesforce in your sales process, you will need just to know the process or the sales process in Salesforce. So basically in Salesforce, it starts always with the lead capture. So basically you will need just to have your own prospects which mean you will need to start gathering the prospect contacts and info details. You can have them in as accounts or contacts. So from here, you will need just to gather them, and then you can start creating leads out of these prospects. Then it will go from the lead qualification, where you choose which are from these contacts that can be fit to be a lead, and then you can start building relationship through personalized communication. So basically, here in Salesforce, there are many emails tools that you can use or you can start sending emails. As you can see from here, you can either send emails or some phone calls, etc. You need just to maintain some communication, and then it's go for the lead nurturing. So after you start communicating with them, you will need just to go for the conversion. So when you have all the leads that can be converted, then it will become an opportunity. So from here, opportunities are created from leads. So if we go and click on new opportunity, we will see that it will be uh, you can add probability, etc., and mount the stage of the opportunity. Also, you will need to maintain a good stages for your processes. So, for example, uh, you might only use the qualification, personal, negotiation, closed, etc. And basically here, as I said, you will need just to go from a lead source. So basically, those are your leads that you have and then you can start creating opportunities from your leads. And at the end, when the when you manage your opportunity and it finish with the closed status, now you have processed or you have finished the sales or closed the deal in Salesforce. So basically, those are the ways on how to use Salesforce for sales. Thank you for watching and see you next time.